this is Bug. Once again, the Legend of the West. How'd you like that name, huh? Not a bad name. Because maybe I am. As a little bit more you know about me, the more you understand the kind of a man I am. Well, I'm just running around here and wanted to stop by one of the TA truck stops. 237 of fuel. And I'm going to run by here and see if I can get the shot of a couple of fighters I've seen. It's hard to get them. Damn it, I can't get the shot. Too far. They're going. Sorry about that, guys. I think the closest I ever got was one of them was a Spitfire and another one was a Mustang. And they might come back again. But I think they're gone for the day. This place is pretty packed. Full of guys. I thought they were coming back because they just went right over us right here and I didn't have the camera with me, but now they're gone forever. I'm not going to stick around here and see them come back down here again. There's a lot of nice beautiful activities out here, but I'd like to share with you folks. Let me get back into the truck, and before I head out, I will go ahead and show you what I'm talking about. Well, unfortunately, those guys left, and I wish I could have seen them, but I don't know if I really got them. I got the shot. Wait a second, I think they're coming back again. No doubt about that. Let me see if I can see them right here. Right over the canopy. Right there. Look at that. Now they're going right over the truck. Right there. That went behind the trailer. Alright. Oh, when I saw them went by, there was about, I think, 4 or 5 of them actually. And they passed right over TA. Oh, here they come, here they come. Here they came right over the trailer. Right over the trailer. I'm sure I'm going to get these guys. Where are they? Right there on top, 10 feet high. And I zoomed. I don't see them. They're coming right over us. I'm going to get out. Right over there. I can't see it. There, I need a shadow. You hear him? Right there. Well, I hope I got it, because I can't see a thing here. This is what I'm trying to tell you guys. I got this shot. Actually, I got the chance to record this for a second. Then I'm going to be heading out. Look at this beautiful. Look at them coming at me. Look at them come at me. Right over us. That's what I'm talking about, guys. Thank you, man. I got the shot. I'm happy. I'm happy. They're flying right over me right now. I hear the engines screaming like crazy. I love it. Well, catch you guys later. Right here, I picked up some nice brochures for my son. Let me put it here. So, there we go. We got a steam train ride, 2016 May 28 through October 23. I mean, this is great. You know, to come down here with the family and my son. They'll have fun. Here is another one. It's called the Railroad, and I think this is great too. Really nice one for the kids. My son loves trains. Here's some more train ride. This is in Georgetown Loop. That's great. And this is for something for Daddy. Rafting. Well, I guess we don't have to do that. There's another one here, rafting. We don't have to do that now. And here we have Fick and the Fossil and History Museum. Here we got the history. Walk through history. Mantoux cliff dwellings. This is real nice. This is the Old West. That's what I like. And here's a nice ghost town ride. And I think this is for the Buck the Legend. Needs to go there and ride the horses on outback western lands. And go through the 1800s of Ghost Town. And here's something for my wife and me. Something to chit chat and sit back and socialize with the surroundings and enjoy the beautiful lightings and a dinner on a table with some margarita or the Red Devil. No, I'm just kidding. This place is getting hotter and hotter, and I think I need to get rolling. So most of these beautiful sightseeings are right here. I'm gonna go for it. And hopefully I need to pick up a van and put the whole family in it and do this 5,000 miles radius trip for a month. So, you know, Buck the Legend. I am the legend. I could do this. I could take the whole family out